So as you've probably seen from the thumbnail of this video, I have built a brand new mechanical trading system. Now this might come to a shock for a lot of people, as I am a discretionary trader and I have had my experiences with mechanical trading in the past. Now this is not something new that I've been working on. I started working on this a while ago and kind of just stopped, and then now I've picked it up again, finished it off, polished it, made the improvements that were needed, and honestly it's been giving good results so far through the data. I've done 8 years of testing so far, and there needs to be so much more testing done to make sure that this strategy is absolutely perfect. But as of now, it's giving really positive results, and I do genuinely want to just proceed doing this because it's something that it's mine. Like, I built this and it feels somewhat nice to have something that's mine. Now, don't get me wrong, this journey is going to have its ups and downs, and I know, like I said earlier, this is going to probably have a big shock to some people from the Discord, etc. But it is something that I'm just following my heart on, and I genuinely do want to just proceed with and try and scale. But without further ado, I'm going to give you a brief rundown of the trading system that I have been building, maybe for on and off for the past 6-7 months. But without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. So the first thing that you'll need to equip if you want to trade this model is a few indicators, one being the fractals indicator, one being the sonar labs session times, which are basically just kill zones slash strike zones, and the EMA. Now once you've got these equipped, I'm just going to run through an example of the model. It is a winning trade. I'm not going to sit here and say it wins 100% of the time, because it doesn't. It has about 45 to 55% win rate on average. But yeah, so pretty much once you've got your EMA set, you want to look to see whether the 200 is less than the 100, which is less than the 50, which would mean that we are bullish coming into the market. Now, with the strike zones, this isn't a full session time, so Asian, London and New York. This wouldn't be a full session, this is just the strike zone in that session. And what I mean by strike zone is where all the momentum tends to happen within those sessions. So because we are bullish according to the EMA, obviously we didn't sweep the Asian session low coming into New York, so we'd now wait for a sweep of the London kill zone slash strike zone low to be swept. So because this is mechanical, we don't have any opinion on the market. Some people might say that's a good thing or a bad thing, but for a mechanical system, that's how it has to be. Now we've had a sweep of this London low, we basically wait for the first bullish candle to form, which we got right there. Once we've had that bullish candle form, we'd set our entry just a little bit above that candle. We're waiting for the break now on this bullish candle. This doesn't have to be a candle close. It's literally just as soon as you get wicks in. So you can set a limit order. You want to move your stops just a little bit below the low. This might not seem as mechanical because you are having that where do you put your stop, but it's literally just a few ticks. When I have a fractal on an indicator on a candle, I tend to put it on the bottom of the fractal. But that's just how I've been doing it. Then you'd set a fixed 1 to 2 R, and you basically just let this trade run. You'd set and forget the trade until it hits TP, and as you can see here, it literally hit TP within the first few minutes. Now this is a trade that I took today on US 500. I do want to try and show you that there. Just a quick little 1 to 2. That was just on a 10k account, but like I said, I took that trade and it played in my favour. It did then run to go to SL, but when I've previously done the risk calculation and been, playing around with fixed 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s, the 1 to 2 does seem to be the best target. Now, this model could still do with a lot of tweaking. There is alternative rules, which will be over in the Discord server. But for now, that's just how I run things. If you are interested in this mechanical model and do want to learn more, make sure to drop a comment down below, or the link to the Discord will be in the description. Appreciate you all watching, and I'll see you in the next one.